Woodworking, a craft, continues to captivate our hearts and minds in the modern era. It is an art form that transforms lifeless pieces of wood into magnificent works of art, reflecting human creativity and skill. In this essay, we delve into the enchanting world of artwork display woodworking plans, with a special focus on two remarkable books, The Art of Whittling, classic woodworking projects for beginners and hobbyists, and Wood Mosaic projects, classic quilt block designs in wood. We will also explore the invaluable resource offered by TED's Woodworking. The Art of Whittling, a timeless guide. A timeless guide. The Art of Whittling by Walter L. Thoreau stands as an enduring testament to the timeless appeal of woodworking as a hobby. Since its first publication in 1930, this book has been a guiding light for those seeking an introduction to the world of whittling. Thoreau's guide is not just a manual, it is a window into an era when handmade objects held a special place in our lives. One of the most enchanting aspects of this book is its ability to preserve traditional whittling projects that continue to inspire woodworkers today. From interlocking wooden puzzles to delicate ships inside bottles, these classic projects serve as a bridge between generations, connecting us with the craftsmanship of our forebears. The Art of Whittling goes beyond offering instructions for these timeless projects. It encourages woodworkers to transcend boundaries, providing guidance for crafting functional items such as working wooden scissors and pliers. This book is an invitation to explore a new hobby, offering an unabridged republication of the original edition. Wood Mosaic Projects, a sustainable twist. Wood Mosaic Projects, classic quilt block designs in wood, published by Fox Chapel Publishing, brings a fresh perspective to woodworking. This book introduces a quilt-inspired approach to woodworking, blending artistry with sustainability. Its 8 wood mosaic projects, while beautiful and elaborate, are designed to be accessible to all. The book features 300 photos, diagrams, and patterns that guide readers through the projects and processes. This sustainable woodworking craft involves cutting, painting, and piecing together wooden quilt blocks, creating stunning wall hangings, coffee tabletops, shadow boxes, and more. Detailed how-to instructions, step-by-step guidance, cutting lists, and insights into materials, tools, and techniques make this book a valuable resource for aspiring woodworkers. It offers tips and tricks for pattern selection, precise cutting, adding vibrant colors, and more. Wood Mosaic Projects is an ode to the fusion of creativity and environmental responsibility in woodworking. TED's. A wealth of possibilities. For those seeking a comprehensive resource for woodworking plans, TED's Woodworking offers a treasure trove of inspiration. With access to an astounding 16,000 plans, both beginners and seasoned carpenters can find projects that ignite their passion for woodworking. TED's Woodworking simplifies the woodworking process with step-by-step plans, making it accessible to woodworkers of all skill levels. Whether you are just starting your woodworking journey or have years of experience, TED's Woodworking provides the tools and guidance to bring your projects to life. In conclusion, woodworking is not merely a craft, it is a timeless art form that allows individuals to transform wood into captivating works of art. The Art of Whittling and Wood Mosaic Projects exemplify the rich diversity within woodworking, from traditional whittling to innovative and sustainable approaches. In a world of mass-produced goods, woodworking reminds us of the value of craftsmanship and tradition. Artwork display woodworking plans are not just instructions, they are gateways to a world of creativity, self-expression, and lasting artistry. With resources like TED's Woodworking, this age-old craft continues to flourish, bridging the gap between the past and the future, and allowing us to bring our artistic visions to life in wood.